Jesus, with your blessing. Fill our hearts with joy and peace. Let us each your love possessing, triumph in redeeming grace. Oh, refresh us, traveling through this wilderness. Thanks we give and adoration for the gospel's joyful sound. May the fruits of thy salvation in our hearts and lives abound. May thy presence with us evermore be found. So whenever signals given us from earth to call away, borne on angels' wing to heaven, never summons to obey. May we ever reign with Christ in endless day.
And may the grace of God Jesus Christ,
the love of God, and the fellowship of the Holy Spirit